So if you have swelling, edema, it usually means your kidneys are not functioning properly. It also means your adrenals are not working properly as well, because your adrenals control your kidneys. And if your kidneys and adrenals are not working properly, guess what? Your lymphatic system, the system that removes acids from your 100 trillion cells, is also not working properly. This means that the acids in your cells cannot be removed. So the body will take water, calcium and cholesterol to buffer those acids, and that's why you get the swelling. Now, to get rid of this, you need to go 100% fruits. You need to stop eating any kind of animal products, any kind of cooked starches. In fact, it's 100% raw fruit. That's it. But at the same time, you don't want to use fruit juices in this scenario. And this is because when you take fruit juices, there's a lot of liquid in it. It can make the edema worse if your kidneys are not filtering. So the first course of action is to get the kidneys filtering. And we do this with the herbs, the five herbs. For herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, endocrine system, stomach and bowels. And we also add some dry fasting. So it's solid fruits, dry fasting, and herbs. And that's how we can get relief from the edema and swelling. This is the best effective way of fixing the problem at the root cause problem, and having healthy kidneys and healthy adrenals, as well as the lymphatic system as well.